This is fool does with his BMW. Came to pick her up, but the battery's dead this time, so we had to go get a starter pack. So we're gonna try to start her up and have like a 5-month cold start here.
He thinks the crap is gonna turn on.
Yay!
It's alive.
It's like a 7-month cold starter.
Yep.
Oh yeah! The Montero's voice back. So, as you guys can see, my baby started right up. I just needed a little help because it's been like what, like 5 more months? Damn, look, something's burning there. Maybe old stuff. So this I'm gonna definitely change. I'm gonna buy
We're gonna go to market.
a prime. No, those are not recoverable. They all have rust. Like all of them have rust, dude. Like really bad. This is how she looks. She still looks great. And the aftermarket LEDs. Oh yeah, baby, it looks good. Oh, it looks awesome.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I make you do it all again. So they say.
Okay, so we are in Walmart. Because you see, what happened was we got out of the parking space, and as soon as I got out, the car turned off. Didn't want to take charge. Thank goodness I had this guy over here. I would have been screwed in the highway if I would have come alone.
Screwed in the highway.
So that means I had to. It didn't want to take charge. My cousin had to come from her little party adventure to her house and get me a charger. But we have 2 battery packs. None of them were charged. I'm telling you, it was like one thing after another. Now we're here in Walmart trying to buy a battery. So we got the car running, but we have a few issues. The headlights went out and we don't have time to fix it. This bulb came out too. This one is messed up too. So, and the headlight went out. So we don't have no strength to keep dealing with it today. We are gonna go home and I'll fix it tomorrow. I just hope they don't stop me. Okay, so we are here in a gas station because this guy right here needed some air, and I was trying to figure out what was wrong with the headlight just in case, but we don't have no time. This is all in good fun with hoopties, 10 years plus.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I make you do it all again.
Good morning. So we are back in the Montero Sport. You can see this is the daytime. This is my volt meter right there. This is my transmission lock. We noticed that this wire was not connected. That's why it was not getting any power. So what I did was I just jammed it in there. See, I was trying to strip it. I was like, nah, let me just jam it in there and let's go. My plan for this truck was to get it like a Trackhawk. Like the Trackhawk is like the exact same plans I had for this truck. Meaning like it's lower to the ground. It has a powerful engine. It runs fast. And it's a 4x4. That's what I wanted to do with this truck. Probably a Hemi I want to put in this truck. So the build will be an amazing journey, and that's what I'm going to enjoy the most. And when it's done, it's going to be done. I will enjoy it. I will track it. I will take it to the drag strip. I will do a lot of tests. But that will be for another video. If you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing because this build is going to be an amazing build. And it will never be for sale. Stick around, guys. God bless.
So they say.
And if you need, please consider subscribing. Okay, bye. That's a man home.